Now, let's see, to get some vantage point, it's about 2 feet right now, and that's just from the snow last week. I don't know if you can see, yeah, it looks a little bit white out conditions here, but not too bad yet. I actually just wound up snow blowing everything for Marsha for when she comes home. So, it looks relatively calm now, but it isn't going to be very shortly. They're calling for about 2 feet of snow. Isn't that just wonderful? And this is my neighborhood. There's my trash. Okay, well, it is now, as you can see on the clock, 4:13 p.m., February 17th. More updates soon. Everybody down in warm Texas land. You can see the snow a little more. It is now 6:49 p.m. and we are deep in the heart of a blizzard. Let's see, there's a bit of my backyard. That stone wall is actually 3 feet high, so we already got about 2 feet, which ain't too good for me. Nothing's on fire, that's just my breath that you see coming out because it's so freaking cold. And that flash way out in the background, that yellowish flash, looks like a plow. It's got to be a plow. I would assume. Okay, more to come later. Bye. Well, less than a half hour ago, I actually had snowblowed about 6 inches. And, well, I think I got a little bit more again. You're missing a hell of a storm, Henry. I can see why you left, though. I'm really considering relocating after this winter. I really never wanted to live in Alaska. I just wanted to live in Massachusetts. Now here's a better look at all this crap. Wind's starting to pick up, which means it is going to be blizzard conditions soon. And there's my beautiful pink house. And you can see the lens is now getting a little wet. There's Marsha's car covered by about 6 inches of snow, and that's just 2 hours. And just so you know, I spoke to your cousin Gary a few moments ago before I came out, and he has over a foot inside of 5 hours. That ain't good. So this is definitely the blizzard of 2003. Or the President's Day blizzard. Call it what you want. Roads are fairly quiet though. And it's blurry down the end of my street. You just saw a car pass. But that's actually because it's white out down there. And that's less than 1/8 of a mile away. Fun, fun, fun. Usually I hear a lot of airport traffic right about now, going into Manchester International Airport. But there is nothing in the sky. Nothing. Alright, I'm cold. I gotta go in. Next reported about 10:30 or so p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is Andrew Weiner in Alaska, signing off.